You found out the certification, the one you keep hearing gets people hired. You open the page to sign up and you see the price, 200 and something dollars, sometimes $400 or more for one exam. Then the study material on top of that. Then the next certification after that one. So you close the tab because that money is rent. That money is groceries. That money is transportation. And you tell yourself the same thing you told yourself last month. Later, when I have it. And later never comes. One video tells you to just pay for it, invest in yourself. The next video tells you certifications are a scam, save your money. The third video says get a degree first. So you sit there, broke, doing nothing, while the months go by and everybody online keeps posting about the job they just landed. I hold more than five certifications and three college degrees in the US, including two master's degrees. I paid full price for almost, guess what? None of it. Someone else did. And when I started, I had less money in my bank account than you probably have in yours right now. Here is the part nobody tells you. The money to get you certified already exists. I'm going to repeat it again. The money to get you certified already exists. It is not yours to save up for. And no, it is not a loan. Let me say these the quiet part out loud. Being broke is not what is stopping you. Okay, being broke is the exact profile these programs are built for. Nobody funds the person who already has money, right? They fund the person who does not. So the real question was never how do I save up for my certifications? The real question is who is already willing to pay for them. And once you see that list, you cannot unsee it. There are two doors. Let me show you both. So two doors, both of them end at the same place. Your cost is $0. Door number one, you get a job and that job pays for your certification. You do not need the perfect job. You will see it in a second. A warehouse job even counts. Door number two, a free program trains you and certifies you, and you do not pay a cent, and you do not need a job first. You only need one of these doors. Pick the one that fits your life. Let us open door one. So start with the biggest one, Amazon. You get hired as an hourly worker. Yes, the warehouse, the job everybody looks down on. Anybody reading this can get that job, usually within a couple of weeks. Okay. After 19 days, okay, 90 days, a program called Career Choice pays 100% of your tuition and your certification. No year limit. As long as you work there, they keep paying you. The numbers do not lie. Amazon put over $1 billion behind this program. And there is the part that should make you sit up. They have a track that prepares you for the CompTIA certification, the CompTIA Security Plus exam. That is the entry certification for cybersecurity. No technical background needed. Beginners are welcome. A warehouse job paying for the exact certification that gets you into cybersecurity. Do not take my word for it. Go type Amazon Career Choice on Google, Amazon Career Choice Cybersecurity, and read it yourself. Amazon is not alone. The store on your corner might be a funded door too. Target pays for education and not just full degrees. They cover certifications and short program too. The kind that you actually need to start in tech. Walmart runs a program where school costs you about $1 a day. $1, okay? Certificates included. UPS will put up to $25,000 toward your education over time. Okay. And part-time workers qualify too. Look at what just happened. The job you thought was a dead end job is actually the thing paying you for your way out. Same job, a different plan. Now, door two, no job required. These are non-profit whose entire purpose is to train broke people for free. Broke people, excuse me for that word. But anyway, the Scholas trains you and certifies you in things like CompTIA A plus, CompTIA Network plus, and CompTIA Security plus. The words, no catch, okay? Free training, and they help you find the job after that. NPower and Year Up do the same thing. Free, and some of the programs even pay you a small stipend while you learn. And the Google IT support certificate, the one people pay monthly for, you can get through these same non-profit, same non-profit for nothing. So if you have no job and no money, this door was built for you. apply. Worst case, what happened? They say not yet, and you try the next one. That's it. Now, I have to be honest with you, or I'm no better than the hype channels. The certification, even a free one, opens the door. That is all it does. It gets your resume look at. Okay. But it does not walk you through that door. What gets you hired is proof. Proof that you can actually do the work, that you can actually do the job. A certification says you pass a test. A project says you did the thing. Recruiters have seen 1,000 certified people before you who have never touched a real system. Do not be the 1,001st. Be the one with proof. So here is what you do this week, not this year, this week, or even today. Pick one door. If you can get an hourly job, pick door one and let them pay for your certification. If you cannot, apply to a free program today, door two. Just pick one. Start the certification, the free certification path that door gives you. Security Plus, for instance, is the one I would aim for at if I want to join cybersecurity. And at the same time, start building the proof, the lab, the project a recruiter can actually look at. The certification and the proof together, that is the combination almost nobody does, okay? Which is exactly why it works. And if you want the proof part handed for you step by step, that is exactly what we built. Inside TotalThreat Free, it is a free community. You build your first cybersecurity home lab one step at a time, even if you have never done it before. We show it to you click by click. You study for Security Plus with us too for free. So the free certification you just unlock actually lands. And you finish the 7-day portfolio challenge. So you work out with real proof, not just a certificate. It is free, like I said. The link is right there on the description below, okay, and also on the screen. Go start it today while you are still fired up. So let us kill the excuse for good. You were never blocked by money. The money to certify you already exists. It belongs to companies who want to hire you and to programs built for people with empty pocket. You were only blocked by not knowing where the doors were. Now you know. So go knock one of those doors. Peace. I'm gone.